Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So let's continue our discussion in JDBC client. In our previous example, we have learned how we can implement the insert SQL with the help of JDBC client. Now let's go to the select query. Okay. So let me show you what we have done in our previous video. We have taken the JDBC client and we have written this insert query, and because of that this data got entered into the table. Now what we are going to do is we are going to pass this title with this value here, so that I will get two records. That means list of records, list of rows, that we are going to do with the help of JDBC client today. Okay, so I am here in my service layer. Okay, bookmark service here, and I'm going to put the code in git and I'm going to share the link guys, so you don't need to worry about the code. Let's try to understand this. So as I said, it's going to be list, and here it is nothing but title URL created at ID, right? This is presented here in this pojo. Okay, so simply use that bookmarks, and here select record. Okay, and I'm going to pass a string title here. Okay, now let's take that SQL. Okay, so this is nothing but select star, or you could select individual as well, not a big deal. Okay, so let me select individually ID, title, comma URL from, what is the table name? This is a table name. Okay, let's go with the same pattern we have given. ID, title, URL from table name bookmarks, where title is equal to, no, you can keep something called like this. Okay, here JDBC client dot SQL of SQL statement here. Now let's add a param here called title with the value we have is title. Okay, now let's query this and convert this into bookmark dot class. So the thing, but bookmarks dot class. Now let me list them. So this will return us list of bookmarks, right? This list of bookmarks we are going to return directly. So let me add a return statement here, and this is returning us that list of bookmarks. What we did, we simply created that SQL, and we have, with the help of param, we have added that particular, this field is replaced with this value, and we have converted the result into bookmarks class, and we have written the list of items. Okay, this is nothing but my service layer. Now let me add a controller here. Okay, with the help of get mapping here, value is equal to get bookmark. Okay, here public list of bookmarks, something called get bookmark. Here string, let's say title. Let me import the get mapping directly here. Okay, and sorry, now list also we have importing from the util list. Now we have this service, right? So service dot select record based on the title. and this is nothing but returns. Okay, return the list of records. If server is up, let me close that server and rerun this application. Okay, in the meantime it's getting run. Let me prepare my okay, what we have missed, we have missed one item. Cool. Now let me close my server here. Here what we can do is select name. Here as a path param, let's add path param of instead of name, let me take title. Path param of title, let's add something like this. And Spring Boot one, let's run our application. In the meantime what I can do is I can set my postman properly, right? So let me duplicate this, and here let me add this title. Let me add that this is nothing but my get call, and what is a value, this is a value with REST client demo. So let me take that value here. If I click on this, now you could see we got list of records presented for the given name. What we did, we simply developed our SQL here, and we have used that SQL as part of JDBC client SQL, and we have added the params in order to send this title dynamically, and we have converted that into the Pojo, and we have listed them because there will be more than one record will be available for the given select. Okay, this is good. Now let me pass one here. Here we got nothing because we are using something like this, right? Or else we can use like this as well. I think let's do it in some other example. Okay, not a big deal, let's do it in some other example.